And there are two free bolts for the, I think for the caliper. Yeah, this is the new one. Looks like this side and this side. And also you see this is not totally flat. There is just a little bit cut this side and the other side as well. Now that's my brake pad parts. On this car, on the caliper carrier, shims are used, so you don't have to put any grease on the pad. But I still want to put some on the pad before I put the pad onto here. So here you can see I just put a thin layer on the ears. So this side and this side, that should be enough. Yeah, look at here, I put on one pad. The shims are rather strong, the spring very strong, so you have to use two hands to put them in. After we have got the brake pad into the caliper carrier, and we can put the caliper back on. And we just say this is the inner side, this is the outer side. We just release from the hanger and put them on here. I'm going to use two hands. When you put on the caliper, I have put it on. You may have to push this slide pin inside if they're too out. Just try to press them in, and then you will be able to install this caliper. And also notice that the pin, there's the flat side, and it should be like this. You see the flat side, and on the caliper, see on the caliper here is also flat, and you can see at the bottom. So the flat side, just engage the flat side on the caliper. Then after that, you can put the two screws on, one on top and one at the bottom, and just through this caliper hole into the sliding pin. And the other one is the same, just for the bottom size. So this is just a screw into the slide pin, because they're flat, so slide pin won't turn when you turn this bolt. I have got the two caliper bolts on, and one is here, so the top one is here, and I think now we can torque them and we have a torque wrench with a 13mm socket on it, so we're going to torque them to 30 Newton meters.